everyone, welcome to my nookery. My name's Linda and I've got a couple of happy mails. One I was expecting, the other one is a total surprise. I was expecting a little something from this lady, but this is not little, guys, and it's from my beautiful friend Bailey in Canada. I'm totally shocked. Thank you Bailey. So I'll open this one because I think I know what this is. Yes, well, I hope it is what I think it is. Yay! It is Crochet Dictionary, and it's come all the way from, where's it come from? It's come from the Netherlands, guys. It's come from the Netherlands. I thought I had this book by this lady, Sarah Hazel, but I hadn't. I didn't. So Yarny Fibre Sisters will be working from this one, so I absolutely needed it. So yay! My books came. Yay! So shall we see what I've got? Need my scissors. Need my scissors. Wow. She sent it on the 4th and today's the 11th, so wow, not taking long to get here. Oh, bless her. Oh, bless. So Linda Simpson, I'm so excited. Oh, bless her little heart. Oh, beautiful butterfly, and I love my butterflies. Finally flew her way to you. I still chuckle every time, but I couldn't think of a better home. Hope you also enjoy the extra little treats. Hee hee. I had to. Stay your awesome self. Hugs and love, Bailey. Thank you, Bailey. Thank you. I will treasure that. Thank you. You stay awesome too. So I know I went to her live. I usually miss Bailey's lives, but this particular day I did, and I was up on panel and she was doing a giveaway, and I said, that's coming home to mama. And I won this. Now, anybody who knows me knows that I love butterflies and especially dragonflies. And this is what I won, guys. This is what I won. Look at that. Isn't that just fabulous? A fabulous, fabulous dragonfly. And I will put this on my good coat that I wear. I've got a nice coat for going out in, and a nice so I will put that on there. That is absolutely gorgeous. Thank you. And she's home. She come home. She's here, Bailey. She flew all the way. And the next thing she sent me, oh, hold on. She sent me something else. She sent me some toffee from Canada. Ooh. I love toffee. I love toffee. So I've got 5. I've got, yay. I presume they're all different flavours because they're all different all different wrappings. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'll enjoy them while I'm and I got some more ice yarn, guys. Wow, this is baby ombre. Oh wow. Sorry about the tinkle, guys. Sorry. Oh wow, this is so soft. This is so soft. It's anti-pilling acrylic. It's a 4-weight. Is it a 4-weight? That's a very thin 4-weight. Wow, unless it's... Oh yeah, it's a 4 strands, so it is. It's a 4-weight. Oh my lord, this is so soft. That will make something really nice. So I've got the grey, and I've got grey and white mix, and then a white. That will make a beautiful baby blanket. That will make a beautiful, can you imagine that? A beautiful baby blanket. Oh, it's lovely and soft. Thank you so much, Bailey. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. I didn't expect this. I'm so excited for my dragonfly to be here, and some toffees as well, and I'll think about you when I'm munching on them later on today. So that's all from me for today. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, as I always say, be kind to you, and I'll see you all again real soon. Whoops, bye for now.